What's good, guys? Welcome back to sunny, windy South Carolina. But for today's video, we have our 2025 Kia K5 behind us. This car hasn't been featured on the channel a lot, but we did have the K5 since new. It's been about a year old now, about 10,000 miles. But today we're going to feature the K5, and we also have the brand new Tymate TM7 tire pressure monitoring system to share with you guys. So let's go to feature the K5 on the channel, install it on the brand new K5, and also see how it works. So let's deep dive into the video. So here inside the box, we have our Tymate TM7 tire pressure monitoring system. Let's open this up. And so right outside the box, you obviously notice that we have our individual pressure monitoring systems. So obviously they're labeled left rear, left front. So they're all individual labeled to kind of give you the best place to place them on a vehicle. That way when it registers to the LCD display, you could actually know which tire it's reading. So inside here we have the LCD display. It's right there. And on the front of it, it is obviously a 12-volt outlet. It attaches to the 12-volt or cigarette lighter inside the vehicle. So you can go ahead and plug this in. Obviously, no wires, nothing dangling. It's a complete wireless system. So if we go ahead and install this inside the vehicle, we'll obviously turn it on, install our individual tire pressure monitors as well. And then obviously, let's see how all this works. So the TM7 LCD display is pretty easy to install. Just ensure that your vehicle is either running or in an accessory mode. And then in the K5, we have our 12-volt outlet down here. So if we go ahead and plug it in, and you might have to like twist or manipulate it a little bit. There we go, it beeps. And then we have our LCD display fully on. It's also able to read the battery. So right now it was reading the car's battery. Now we have the PSI showing 0. That's obviously correct because we still have the monitors here inside the box. So let's go ahead and install these to each wheel individually, and then let's see how this works. So it's quite simple. Just unscrew your little cap you have and then install. So we have our individual caps, left to rear. Just going to screw it on there. And while you're screwing on there, because it has kind of like a nipple inside it to get the correct tire pressure, the tire will sound like it's deflating. That is correct. Just go ahead and keep screwing on there until you hear no hissing at all. And then that will tell you it is completely or correctly onto the valve stem. So mine is just fitted on there right now. No leaking, no tire pressure. But that hissing sound you heard was obviously to get the air going through the valve so you can read it. And same thing here in the front. Unscrew the original cap you have on there, and these are pretty bad. I probably need to replace these ones. Yeah, they're banged up. So left front. There we go. And then I'll repeat the same thing on all 4 sides, which is self-explanatory. Same thing here. And then just go ahead and install the last one on the rear and then go inside. So we're back inside the car. Let's cover a few things about the TM7. So you can obviously see each tire pressure reading individually, 33 PSI in all 4 tires. Below that, you also have the individual tire temperature as well. Something that is actually not common in most vehicles. It gives you the reading, but not the actual temperature. That's obviously good if you're tracking your vehicle or you're hauling like a trailer or something. You want to know the temperature of those tires, especially in the summer, to kind of obviously know when to cool your tires down now, so not to obviously pop your tires. But the TM7, so it gives you real-time tire pressure and temperature monitoring, multiple safety alerts as well. So it will like beep to kind of let you know, like, as an early detection if the temperature gets too hot or too cold. And they also obviously plug and play. There's no wires. All it is just our TM7 attached LCD display attached here into the 12-volt outlet, and then you obviously see me install the tire pressure sensors onto individual valve stem caps on the wheels. Our LCD display obviously displays color. On top of it, you have a button right here to adjust the LCD display brightness. So at night, you could obviously make it a little bit dimmer if you wanted to, or brighter during the daytime. And it has 3 levels of brightness. Not sure how the camera shows that, but there we go. And on the right side, I have another button as well. If you press that, that will give you a battery reading, which is temporary. So it gives you like a voltage of the car's battery as well. So this TM7 is obviously compatible with like your trailers, SUVs, pretty much all vehicles. Not so much, with 2025 vehicles, because most vehicles in 2025 kind of already have a tire pressure monitoring system. But should your vehicle not have it, then that's what this is for. So as I was saying, in our K5 we have our tire pressure display. Because I just attached those sensors to the valve stem, I was gonna reset the car's OEM display as well. So we're just gonna drive to pretty much register those sensors back to the vehicle. But naturally, the K5 already came with a tire pressure from the factory. This TM7 though is like I said, is for those who like haul trailers. If you have an older vehicle that doesn't have any type of displays at all, this will obviously help. And so once you turn the vehicle off, that display will also go off as well. If I turn it back to the accessory mode, you have your beeps, and then it will come back on. Initially, it gives you your battery reading as well, voltage, and then it displays those tire pressure and temperature. Inside the box, you have a user manual as well. Obviously, it's pretty simple. It's plug and play, simple to install. Literally took me less than 5 minutes, so you really don't need this. But inside the box as well, we also have a little fix kit and extra grommets in there for your tire pressure as well. And then we have a little toolkit to kind of pretty much install the tire pressure, those little sensors onto the wheels, and then tighten them should you want to. Has both sides as well. And that's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. So again, like I said, SUVs, older vehicles that doesn't have any type of tire pressure monitoring from factory, or if you're hauling like a boat or something, this is ideal for you because you're able to install it to the tires individually, and you don't have to use all 4. You can just even one, as a matter of fact. You can install it to whatever tire it is, and then once you turn the vehicle on, it will show that display on here inside the vehicle. And this obviously stay hidden inside here. It's pretty small, so once you plug it in, it stays inside the vehicle, turns on and off with it, so it's not burning any type of extra power from the vehicle as well. So once again, guys, this is a TM7. It registers tires pressure from obviously 0 psi all the way to 86 psi, which is highly high for most road vehicles anyway. And obviously it also gives you a temperature from -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. So again, I'll put this in the description of the video. Be sure to check it out if you want it. It's also available on Amazon. Pretty simple and easy to purchase if you want this for your RV or any type of vehicles that you're traveling in. So again, it's wireless, easy, simple, easy to read LCD display and all that stuff. So be sure to check it out if you guys want it. I'll leave a link in the description. Be sure to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe on the video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.